the houses of A and B face each other on a road while going north south. On a road going north south. So you have a road going north south and you have houses of A and B facing each other. So you have houses of A and B on this road and they are facing each other. A comes out of his house, turns left and travels 5 kilometers. So A comes out of his house, he turns left. So if he is turning left, he'll move this side and travels 5 kilometers, then turns right and travels 10 kilometers to the front of D's house. So what A is doing is, A comes out of his house, turns left, travels 5 kilometers, moves right, turns right and travels 5 kilometers to the front of D's house. So this is where D's house is. Next, B does exactly the same and reaches in the front of C's house. Now B, if comes out and turns left, B starts moving in this direction. So B comes out of his house, moves, turns left, moves 5 kilometers. From here he turns right and moves 5 kilometers. So now he will reach at this point, and this is where house of C is located. They are asking us which of the following statement is correct. C and D live on the same street. Nahi, they are living clearly on the different street. C's house faces south. Nahi, if C's house, if he is reaching straight to the front of C's house, that means C house is facing in this direction, that is east direction. So ये भी गलत है. Houses of C and D are less than 20 kilometers apart. None of the above. So houses of C and D are less than 20 kilometers apart. अब यहाँ से देखो, if I am supposed to calculate this distance is 20 kilometers. So I cannot say that the houses are less than 20 kilometers apart. But अब यहाँ पर if you see it clearly, if you are just seeing the distances, 5 20 हो जाएगा. लेकिन if I am only talking about the shortest distance, can you see if this is point D, if this is point C, what is the distance between C and D point? What is the distance? Let's calculate the vertical distance and the horizontal distance between these 2 points. So vertical distance is 5 and 5, 10. Horizontal distance is this 5 plus this 5 is 10. So this is 10 and 10. If you calculate this distance, what will you get? D square, let's say distance ka square is 10 square plus 10 square. From here you will get 100 plus 100, 200 D square. So D comes out to be 10 under root 2. अब यहाँ से मैं कैसे समझूं कि ये 20 से बड़ा है या छोटा है? Now understand, value of D square is 200. If this D is, let's say, 20 kilometers, if this distance is, let's say, 20 kilometers, then what will be the value of D square? D square will become 20 square. So 20 square was supposed to be 400. But I know that this distance is D and this D square is 200 only. So can I say this distance D is definitely less than 20? क्योंकि अगर वो 20 से बड़ा होता या 20 के बराबर होता तो D square would have been somewhere bigger than 400, but clearly it is only 200. It is less than this. That means this distance D is less than 20. So the houses of C and D are less than 20 kilometers apart. We are taking this as the shortest distance, and this distance comes out to only 10 root 2. Fine. This is all